In this video, BangMung's gonna teach you how to clean your .22 caliber replica of an STG-44. Aw yeah!
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah.
Howdy folks, it is me, BangMung. Here we have yet another cleaning video. It is not going to be a disassembly because I don't know what the fuck to do with this. But we are now going over the .22 caliber STG-44 by American Tactical. Now, just like with the Luger, really simple process for cleaning, just the old oil, bore snake, ratty rag. We have all the things you need. So, we're gonna go ahead and drop the mag out, and I'm going to actually look down this, hold on, put it back in, lock the bolt to the rear, and now that you have seen it is clear, there's no round in the chamber, I'm going to see exactly how dirty it is. Go ahead and position it where scuffed as always. So yeah, that's looking a little bit dirty. There's not a whole lot of muck going on down there. I'm not sure if you can see with the camera and with my poor light pointing. But yeah, you can see there's some stuff down in there, and now we're gonna go ahead and get that out just like we did with the Luger in the last video. Go take your oil, maneuver like a fucking god humpy monkey, and just spray it there. What the fuck? You just want to take a little bit of the oil, spurt it down there while you try and figure out how to hold the damn thing. Get a little bit in here on this side as well, because that'll come in handy for later. And you just take your trusty dusty bore snake with this shoelace looking side going down, and you just, well, you insert. I said you insert. Go. These things don't work sometimes, so we're going to... Okay, I'm sure that's okay. I'm reasonably sure that's not going to do oopsies. It's a process, I tell you. It's a process. Come on! I think we're gonna have to do with a trusty drum cut here.
Shit's fucked. Stand by.
The issue was found. This fella boy right here, this bolt actually went forward, so it wasn't letting it go through, so oops. But now you can just slither it down a little bit more. Kind of fandangle. Wait. Yep, that is certainly it. I'm just gonna figure out how to get this out of here. Why are you being like this? Lucky little poop shovel. There we go. Alright. Now we got it going. Just send it through the top, and it'll give you a bit of resistance, but that's what you want. You want a good bit of friction going on. You just give it a pull. It'll go nice. Slow, and it'll scrape the ever-living crap out of that barrel, get all the dirt off, but it won't damage. That's the power of copper. And then, nice little poops out there. And then, if you want to go through again, you can. I think just a one and done should be good for this, but you saw what it looked like before. Let's see what it looks like after. I'm not going to put that thing to my face again because that was aggravating. So let's go ahead. See? Sparkly clean. You can see it. Ooh. And now that we have the barrel clean, just simple as what it was before, go ahead and anger the fuds with a dry fire. Yeah, get fucked. But now it's time to go back and do the other side of what we do here. Lock that to the rear again. Give a little spoot. Oh, don't miss, hopefully. Spurt, spurt, spurt. Then little insertion action to make sure everyone's paying attention and, you know, gets that good thing for sex ed going. And now, just slack the action a few times. That'll help get the oil moved around, and it'll help it fire nice and smooth again. I'm even going to go a little bit further. I'm going to go ahead and go in this groove here and miss again. Rolling. And then that's really all there is to that, and another fuck you to the fuds. And now, let's let's go ahead and do a fancy little cut and get to the rest of this. Alright, so just like the Luger and every other gun, unless I disassemble it, just a little bit of a little bit of another, just a few of those. Take your rat towel and just rub it. Just a good rub down. Makes it look all nice and pretty again. Really goes a long way. Like I said before, so I will not repeat. That would just pop. Little squirt again. Now, little feature here, that's actually a little spot to hold oil for your gun. I don't think it's gonna fit.
Failure.
Now we've got the old shide number 2. I'm gonna make direct eye contact while I clean this. A little bit of good old direct eye contact, you know what I'm talking about, yeah. We're gonna get this nice and clean. Do a little, well, actually no, I don't need another squirt. That's good enough. It's already been very saturated in the sweet, sweet fluids. But just a little bit more of a touch-up, and yeah, that's really all there is to it. Again, that's how you would go about a basic cleaning for your STG, or really any gun for that matter. Put that right back in there. Yeah, before and after, I would say this is looking quite nice. But with that, thank you for watching. Hope you learned something from this. And yeah, I am the greatness that is soon to come around. BangMung. That is my brother Zane behind the camera. Say hi, I forgot to have you do that. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Ta-ta!